Bank of America hosted international investors as well as local companies and entrepreneurs as they sought to gauge the temperature of investor sentiment in the South African economy. It noted that the vast majority of companies were speaking in positive terms, expecting strong earnings growth this year, even forecasting double-digit growth in some instances.
I think importantly, none of these companies are banking on materially higher GDP growth to get there. Rather, the growth is being driven more by innovation, focused investments in online and fintech, which are fast-growing categories, and self-help cost-related measures.
Services company indicated that there was positive sentiment in the precious metal sector, with gold expected to remain in high demand as a safe haven asset, and expectations that the fortunes of platinum group metals would improve after a tough couple of years.
Meanwhile, in PGMs or platinum group metals, companies expect that platinum and palladium prices are going to rise in the not-too-distant future because of a lower EV penetration trajectory globally and supply shortages, which have been the result of underinvestment over the last number of years.
Bank of America noted that retailers had been reluctant to extend consumer credit in recent years, partly due to the previously higher interest rate environment, but now appeared to have a renewed appetite to lend to consumers in the foreseeable future. Unfortunately, though, the financial institution got the sense that local companies remained reluctant to heavily invest in the economy.
Companies are still noting that corporate SA is still quite hesitant to invest due to global uncertainty, slow reforms and lack of consumer growth. That said, they are seeing investment in energy infrastructure, and I think everybody at the conference is eagerly anticipating flows stemming from logistics on Transnet reform.
Positive view on telcos and the investments they've made in the economy, with an expectation that they'll continue to yield decent shareholder returns. Nompumelo Siziba, SABC News, Johannesburg.